So Austin, much like DC, is an amazing innovation hub, and I think it's important for us to be in innovation hubs across the country because it's really about what we can bring the startup community, public and private, together to really solve our clients' toughest problems.
Our purpose is to empower people to change the world, and said another way, it's to advance our clients. Our clients have challenging problems, they come to us for solutions. So it's imperative for us to be here to understand sort of the pulse of technology, the pulse of thinking, the pulse of methodology, so we can have our perspective on what is emerging to be able to solve those problems for our clients.
I mean, look at what we have here. You have an incredible innovation space where we have Booz Allen innovators demonstrating all wares of technology, all underpinned, though, by our mission knowledge and intimacy. So you have this incredible vibe where at the end of the day, it's the connection between the client mission and our technology and solutions.
Working alongside our federal clients here in Austin has been a really enlightening experience. So we're just seeing the beginning of it. There's a huge infusion of talent and tech ideas. And I think the combination of that, which is uniquely Austin, is really this ecosystem of Keep Austin Weird, but it's really about Keep Austin Creative. You know, how can we kind of mix the artistic with the inventive? How can we have that with business and ideas? And for Booz Allen to be part of that is just invaluable for us.